Hello and welcome back to Retro Phone Show, and in this video we're going to be having a look at the Sony Ericsson W350i. So what are we waiting for? Here we go! Here he is. This was released in 2008. Now this is actually locked onto the Orange network. It hasn't been unlocked, but I have got an active Orange SIM card. So let's have a look what we got in this box. We have the phone, which we'll have a look at in a minute. Battery. We have the original charger. And a data cable to transfer songs onto the phone from a computer. They actually have the original headphones as well, which is good. We have some paperwork in here. Let's get all this out. Turn it upside down, it'll be easier. There. So in this one here we have the disc. And we have some things here. Who remembers that the cinema tickets of Orange? I was going back a few years. I do remember that. I remember my partner having that. And I remember the tariffs used to have, like the dolphin, the bird, and the camel, and whatever it was. That's the actual instruction book. And using your Sony Ericsson, it's just a pamphlet with all nice little bit of information. Right then, as I look at the phone, it is with a flip. On the side here we have the volume rocker. If my phone will focus. Right, volume rocker. The other side you have the charging port. On the top you have the lock key, the old key to stop you yes. Obviously on the back you have the camera. And on the front here you have the screen, and you have the flip here, which you can use when you're using the MP3. And obviously open them up and you have all the keys. So let's take this back off and get this battery in. And SIM card, it's already got a memory card in there, look. You can see it there. This was a Walkman phone. It still is a Walkman phone. If you really wanted to use it as a Walkman phone, you could. Yeah, sure he's all in tidy. Right, let's power him on, which is this button here with a C. Push him in. Like I said, this phone was released back in 2008. Stick around and I will do the ringtones, and I will also do, I'll ring the phone as well. Welcome to Orange. Searching. So look at the menu. It's all the stuff we have on the menu. Games. I've checked the games. There's just a couple of demos on there. Nothing major. Check the camera in a minute. The camera is not bad at all. Not bad at all. For an old phone like. Let's have a look at the ringtones. Profiles. Let me scroll across the sounds, the volume, ringtone. I can't show you the other ones because all the other ones are proper songs. And we'll be at all day. Right. Same one. And there you are. That's the ringtones. So now I will ring it for you, so you can see it ring. So here we go. Thank you very much for watching, as always. If you enjoy my videos, enjoy my channel, please subscribe. That would help my channel a lot, and I will be very much grateful. And anyway, thank you very much, and bye!